I'm starting to think that this is not a good video idea. I don't want to clean. I don't want to clean my room. I don't want to do anything. I just want to sleep. Hello everyone. 2021 school year has finally ended for me. Unfortunately, yes, my room is a mess. I've been really busy, I'm studying for my end of year exams and all that. I really didn't have the time to clean my room. I don't know, I just don't feel motivated to do work, and I don't think that's good. Yes, I want to change up my room a little bit, but before that, just clean my room. It's easier said than done, but yes, I hope I can get it done, I guess. So let's get started. Okay, so how I usually clean my room, start small. Don't just go to your closet and try to clean your closet. Just go with the basics, for example, clean a drawer for a start, and then move on to a bigger space, bigger area for you to clean, and just have an easy start. I guess listen to music while cleaning. I don't recommend watching videos because that would just make you distracted. Just listen to music or podcasts. I guess that's it. Honestly, yeah, I don't have tips. Oh my god. So, yes, day one, I think, is pretty much done. Worked on clearing my wall, worked on my desk. Singapore's COVID-19 restrictions are kind of worsening in a sense. Holidays have begun for me, but unfortunately I can't go out with friends exactly. This school holidays, it's going to be a lot of home time. So yeah, it's going to be kind of sad, but I hope to think of it positively, use whatever I have in the best way possible, and spend quality time with my family. Good night, y'all. Peace out. Day 3. hoping to finish everything by today. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're back. I finally finished cleaning my room after 4 days. I mean, they weren't 4 consecutive days, but sorry. Okay, so we're restarting this again due to some distractions and disturbances. But anyways, yes, after 4 days I finally cleaned my room. Not 4 consecutive days, but you know, I just cleaned my room whenever I felt like it. And finally it's just done. It's not much of a change as in where things are placed. It's pretty much the same, but it's just, you know, I've got some things organized and I've managed to do it, you know. And along the way I've actually gotten into lo-fi beats. They were pretty cool to hum along to. Yeah, I had fun cleaning somehow. I hope that this has become a motivation for you guys to clean your room. Why are you laughing? That's a wrap, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to. And next, we are going to clean my sister's room, which is super messy. No! FYI.